Ooh, Druid 66.
Prepare your defenses.
Alright, we got Sketch. You know, let's just play some Ana. Let's have some fun.
Hello?
Hello. Hello, Seagull.
I tip my fedora.
Hello, Sketch. Sid, Kill, Frost, Raph,
Hello.
Simon.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
Honestly, that guy's name is pretty hard to pronounce. What is that? Sidco?
Look after
knows?
yourself out there. I'll get us home safe.
Did I ever answer the question? Carry a game as Mercy, or should I switch something else to try and climb? You can carry as Mercy pretty hard. I know there's at least one Mercy main, like the top 100 probably, but
Shiny.
it's all gonna come down to your reses.
Attackers
So
incoming in 30
it's like hiding and then resing. If they have one person who knows you're playing Mercy and chases you around, it's gonna be extremely hard to carry after that. Honestly, carrying games as Ana and Zen and stuff like that is a million more times, honestly, for more fun for me personally, but I think it's probably because I'm a DPS player. See, your keyboard sound is so high. And that's because my mic stand broke, so it's directly next to my keyboard right now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers.
Oh shit, look at this. Look at our comp. We got triple tank. Except for Mercy and Lucio. It's like pretty
Get
meta.
us home safe.
I can't heal you from
Aw.
It's just a scratch. You'll be fine.
Man, the Mercy's taking the healing, so it's actually gonna be... Let's come back to LOS, dude. Give me that healing.
You're going to be okay.
Z buff, there we go. We're worried about the Tracer coming back up top. And if they have Ana ult before us now because of this...
Oh, fuck!
I tried to save you, dude, but I think you jumped away. Yeah, you did.
And heck with the men.
It just says feels bad as he dies.
Correct. My ultimate is ready. Get in there, and I will boost you.
Someone's about to get bombed soon. It's not going to be good. What's going on down here?
Get me.
Yep, that's what I was worried about. Get in there, dude.
Get in there.
Heroes never die. For a price.
Rolled.
Watching your back.
Necessary.
Can I make the jump? Nah. Let's go play up here then.
Ultimate is almost ready. This will only hurt for a minute. Feeling sleepy? I'm on fire. You'd better stay out of my way.
Take cover.
You look tired.
Look at the size of that thing!
Fire at will.
Got him.
Watching your back. This will only
You went too far, buddy.
Oh, I'm dead.
I have you covered.
Heroes never die. For a price.
Oh my god.
I need healing. I've seen worse. You're going to live.
Oh,
Nano boost is ready. Get in there, and I'll hit you.
I will follow you, buddy. Oh no, not like this. Is he gonna go for me first?
You're powered up.
I tried, dude. You weren't going in for some reason. I had faith, though.
60 seconds. My ultimate is joined.
Oh, tank for me, buddy. Oh snap! I'm dead. That's a Zarya full energy down there. He did a lot of damage too with the Zarya.
And you come in mar أو يهان.
I don't know what you just said, Anna, but I agree, I guess.
30 seconds remaining. The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Get me. Get back.
Rest in peace, dude. Just kill those guys, dude. You got this. Oh, too soon? Too soon? Oh well. Get him, Reinhardt. I just didn't want the Reinhardt to die, because otherwise, like, if our Reinhardt gets staggered, then I die there too, and we can't hold anything at all. At least now we get to, like, stabilize a little bit.
From worse.
To your left, Mercy.
That Osei? Donate $5 says that feel when Jimmy Fallon makes fun of you on national TV. Kappa. Love you, Seagull. Keep being a beast. Thank you, man. See, am I getting spawn kills? He better not bomb here. I'll be really sad.
My ultimate is almost ready. 60 seconds.
Get back in the fight.
Fire at will.
Break the shield, buddy.
Double kill.
Set time.
He missed his bomb! Yeah, he's leaving, or trying to. Is he gonna come this way? He's trying to get out.
30 seconds remaining.
Keep your head and let's take
I am
this.
ready to revive you.
What a hitbox, man.
Yeah.
There actually was no hitbox from there. I'm just gonna blame the hitbox though for my miss. Oh god. What a hitbox, man.
What are you seconds? You're going. Nano boost is charging. You're powered up. Get in there.
Good luck out there, dude.
Agon for the Tourist.
I got sucked pretty hard.
Heroes never die.
I should have died sooner. I forgot we had Mercy hiding for res in the corner. If I knew we were playing off Mercy, I would have hid and died faster. We would have been able to hold. Damn, it's my bad.
I've come back from worse.
I'm gonna go.
Does he still have that? There's no way. Yeah. Let's go drop a nade on it just for fun though. Still at 2%.
Shiny.
Does she have like a million blinks?
She never blinked.
Never. Healed up.
60 seconds.
Oh, not like this. We're screwed. We're alive. We're good. Thought we were screwed.
It's quiet.
Fuck, I didn't know he was gonna go for it. Someone hit him. Like before he bombed, I think.
30 seconds remaining.
Okay, no more Mercy now, huh?
The pain.
2 are debuffed over there. Does that guy have ult? No, he doesn't.
Get in there. You're powered up.
Get in there, Reinhardt.
10 seconds.
The whole team's over here. Where's the Reinhardt? Reinhardt chased one guy. Recalled, GG. Look, all I care about are killing tracers, okay? Damn it! He's just hid the whole time and waited. Oh well. Oh, they're all still. They got this. They got this now. That was a nice rhino.
Round 1 complete.
So easy.
So easy, he says.
Score 0-2. Switching sides. Prepare to attack.
Oops.
Should I stay Reinhardt or play Zarya? Try to get dive combo?
Also, no second plan. Risk 2 months. No second plan. Observe your monster $10 says, watch your team encourage me to get better at this game. Positive attitude. Aw.
I mean,
Thank you, Zergy Monster. Not always positive. Pretty salty sometimes, but I try to be. Thanks, man. And just take my money. Reset for 2 months. Says, hi, Birdie. What's up? Just take my money.
Do we want to run?
nah, I don't like.
Take your medicine. Shine.
The power of hey.
I can't wait to see you all in action. The power of science.
Learn from the pain.
A warrior's greatest weapon is patience. Hey,
ازيك?
the power of science. The power of science.
Look
Attack
at the
commences
size of
in
that
30
thing!
seconds.
I will make my country proud.
Let's shoot for a new high score.
Alright, we'll
Coincidence?
Power of science. Power of science.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I got you got more fun. You guys already feeling you going hard.
Escort the payload.
We strike as one.
Back and sleep him.
Fuck her up.
Cool.
Behind you.
Glad it didn't actually make that.
Get in there, pussy.
Excuse me for dropping you.
Oh, Reinhardt's push. Let me get the pussy.
Oh, that was easy.
You're going to be okay.
Oh, this is a full.
Sorry, escorted. Oh, jump in, monkey. Nice, pussy. Nice.
Get in.
Bye, monkey.
I'll keep you pushed up. Olim, وينفذ. Understood.
It's escorted. Get it. Come on.
This will help.
Activating self-destruct sequence.
Get back in the fight.
My ultimate is charged.
Nim.
He's sleeping up there.
I'm back in the fight.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Here we have both support ults.
So we
Should I just ult sketch?
You're going.
Nah, it's all Winston. Get in there, dude.
Experience tranquility.
Okay, they push. They can do that. I'll push card.
Securing the.
I hit someone with that.
point. Nice.
I have your back.
Oh, Reinhardt. He's escorted.
Good luck out there, Winston. Look at that. He ults afterwards.
Iris.
Get here. My ultimate is charging. Nano boost is charging.
Get Reinhardt.
Nano boost almost ready. My ultimate.
No, Winston, don't die. I'm almost there, dude.
Get in. You're powered up. Get in there.
Wait, I thought there was someone here. Oh, no one's here.
Experience tranquility.
The pain.
My ultimate.
No sleep dart. We're okay.
I've seen it. You're going to live.
I debuffed him as I died. Take him out. Oh, yeah. This is fast.
Nim.
Oh, I should have saved the heal nade. Now we're all dead. Not like this.
Fire at will.
Get out of there, Winston.
Excuse me for drop.
You can give her Zen some ult.
Needs me.
I could use some healing.
Sketch, what's the pulse called now?
My
Get in
ultimate
there.
is charging.
Why is the payload
Ready to
stopping?
initiate self-destruct sequence.
My ultimate is almost
Throw
ready.
your, Zarya with extra
Nano boost almost ready.
There we go. I don't want to heal all. Damn it. Damn it. Everybody's dying, run away!
You're going to be okay.
Actually, I think we're okay. To back up, that is. Is he in there? He's in there. You can actually 1v1 him. If I get the heal nade on him.
I need healing.
Yeah, I bet you do, Sketch.
Fire at will.
Back out, get back up there.
All systems go down.
Into the iris.
You're powered up. Get in
Wait,
there.
come back, dude.
Tranquility.
Okay, I don't think that boost actually did anything.
Acknowledge.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Right away.
The pain. Enemy down.
Peace be upon you. Escorting the payload.
My ultimate is charged.
Careful, Frost. They're pushing you, man.
You're powered up.
Get in there, Winston. Oh yeah, I am Winston. I can hear the ticks.
Them.
That was easy. What the hell?
Final score.
Also, Exomath, resub for 4 months. Thank you, Exo. Recursive, resub for 5 months. Seek if Seek does stream. How will I ever be a pro player? Seek
Victory.
Oh my god, that's absolutely crazy.
Just gotta play a crap ton, man.
Play of the match.
How did he get it? Oh, it's the one thing. This is when we got stalled a little. Also, Junkie, resub for 5 months, says, do you know that the bird is the word? I do now, Junkie. Thank you for 5 months, man. Meta donated 6 months. Hey, Seagull, where have you been? Been waiting a long time for a stream. I was at the E-League tournament in Atlanta for a week. And then I'll be going to China for 2 weeks and 2 days. So streaming has been hard. Says, do you think Zarya needs a nerf? She seems to be everywhere. I don't know. She doesn't seem to be that. She is everywhere, but I don't know if she's like super overpowered or anything. I always feel like, honestly, carrying games as Anna and Zen and stuff like that is a million more times, honestly, more fun for me personally, but I think it's more because I'm a DPS player. Seagull, your keyboard sound is so high. And that's because my mic stand broke, so it's directly next to my keyboard right now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack.
Oh shit, look at this. Look at our comp. We got triple tank. Except for Mercy to Lucio. It's like pretty meta.
Us home safe.
I can't heal you for that.
Aw.
It's just a scratch. You'll be fine.
Man, the Mercy's taking the healing, so it's actually gonna be... Let's come back to LOS, dude. Give me that healing.
You're going to be okay.
Z buff, there we go. We're worried about the Tracer coming back up top. And if they have Anult before us now because of this... I tried to save you, dude, but I think you jumped away. Yeah, you did.
I am ready to revive you. Take cover.
He just says feels bad as he dies.
Correct. My ultimate is ready. Get in there, and I will boost you.
Someone's about to get bombed soon. It's not going to be good. What's going on down here?
Get to it.
Yep, that's what I was worried about. Get in there, dude.
Get in there.
Heroes never die. For a price.
Roll.
Watching your back.
Necessary.
Can I make the jump? Nah. Let's go play up here then.
hurt for a minute. Feeling sleepy? I'm on fire. Better stay out of my way.
Take cover.
You look tired.
Look at the size of that thing!
Fire at will.
Got him.
Watching your back. This will only
You went too far, buddy.
Oh, I'm dead.
I have you covered.
Heroes never die. For a price.
Oh my god.
I need healing. I've seen worse. You're going to live. Nano boost is ready. Get in there, and I'll hit you.
I will follow you, buddy. Oh no, not like this. Is he gonna go for me first?
You're powered up.
I tried, dude. You weren't going in for some reason. I had faith, though.
60 seconds. My ultimate is charged.
Oh, tank for me, buddy. Oh snap! I'm dead. That's a Zarya full energy down there. He did a lot of damage too, but the Zarya.
And you come and mar. Oh, you hand.
I don't know what you just said, Anna, but I agree, I guess.
30 seconds remaining. The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Get here. Get back.
Rest in peace, dude. Just kill those guys, dude. You got this. Oh, too soon? Too soon? Oh well. Get him, Reinhardt. I just didn't want the Reinhardt to die, because otherwise, like, if our Reinhardt gets staggered, then I die there too, and we can't hold anything at all. At least now we get to, like, stabilize a little bit.
From worse.
To your left, Mercy.
That Ose? Donate 5 bucks says that feel when Jimmy Fallon makes fun of your national TV. Kappa. Love you, Seagull. Keep being a beast. Thank you, man. See, am I getting spawn kills? You better not bomb here. I'll be really sad.
My ultimate is almost ready. 60 seconds.
Get back in the fight.
Fire at will.
Break the shield, buddy.
Double kill.
He missed his bomb! Yeah, he's...
66.
Ooh, Druid 66.
Prepare your defenses.
Alright, we got Sketch. You know, let's just play some Ana. Let's have some fun.
Hello?
Hello. Hello, Seagull. I did my fedora.
Hello, Sketch. Sid, Kill, Frost, Raph,
Hello.
Simon.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
Honestly, that guy's name is pretty hard to pronounce. What is that? Sidco?
Look after
knows?
yourself out there. I'll get us home safe.
Did I ever answer the question, carry a game as Mercy or should I switch something else, try and climb? You can carry as Mercy pretty hard. I know there's at least one Mercy main, like the top 100 probably, but it's all going to come down to your reses. So
Incoming in 30
it's like hiding and then resing. If they have one person who knows you're playing Mercy and chases you around, it's going to be extremely hard to carry after that.